You only need 60 seconds to earn $5.89. Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy, and you will learn how you can continuously earn $5.89 every 60 seconds. How does money being sent directly into your PayPal account in amounts of $5, $10, or even $20 sound? There are no other people discussing this new and original strategy. It seems like they are just attempting to keep this a secret, but we tell you what. That is not nice, is it? Today, you're in luck. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now, the objective for today's video is to actually assist you in achieving success and earning your first $100, $300, or maybe even $500. The sky's the limit in terms of earning potential in the method you're about to learn. You could undoubtedly gain more time, financial, and geographic flexibility with the money you earn. Perhaps you could invest in a new vehicle or home. Perhaps you might purchase a new computer or phone. Some of you might want to settle your debt or help out your family and loved ones. With the money you earn, there are simply so many things you may accomplish and engage in, and it all begins with this video. Now don't worry, there will be no investment involved. You will be guided through everything step by step throughout the video. If you are asking, yes, it is accessible in every nation on earth. Let's go! Now, first things first, you should go to YouTube and search for the term motivational video. From there, you can see various videos that other channels have uploaded. On YouTube, they literally receive hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Don't worry, you are not required to produce any videos of your own. There will be no camera, no YouTube. We are simply going to reveal a special technique that will allow you to profit from other people's YouTube videos and earn PayPal money. Now, say you see two videos such as No Excuses, Best Motivational Video, which have received over 37 million and the other has gotten 58 million views. A lot of people are really interested in motivational videos, aren't they? Anyways, in order to go to the next step, you need to select 3 videos from the available videos from the keywords you just searched. Simply launch each of the videos in a new tab. Now, simply start from the first YouTube video, say the title was Stop Wasting Time, Best Motivational Video. Figure out the second video that you want and will be up next, and after it, select the third video. So, selecting 3 distinct YouTube videos from the motivational videos category is all that is required to accomplish for step 1. From there, you now move on to step 2, which is to visit uii.io. What does that do? You can get paid through PayPal each time someone clicks on your link. That website is completely free. You don't need to use your credit card, invest any money, or sell anything to others. You simply need to register for a free account on uii.io and there won't be any affiliate marketing involved. The second step is to simply shorten your URL, and it will be explained how to do so in detail shortly. Finally, you will receive payment via PayPal each time someone clicks on your shortened link. That is precisely how individuals from many nations are able to get daily payments through PayPal. Now, if you look at the website, you will be able to repeatedly see here that you can get paid each click for amounts of $12, $20, and $19. You will also receive a varying payment amount based on who clicks on your link. Say, for instance, that when people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you will get paid with $7 US. Let's assume that if someone from Norway clicks on your link, you will be paid $5. You can view all of the charges right there on their website, but keep in mind that they all operate under the same guiding principle: shorten your link so that you can get more clicks and be paid more frequently. That is, in fact, simply the entire plan that you will do. You will search YouTube for various videos, look for 3 distinct YouTube videos. From there, scroll down and look for Share button. When you click the Share button, a YouTube link will appear. You can click Copy to immediately copy the URL of the video, which is actually a YouTube link. In essence, when people click on the link, they'll visit YouTube and view the motivational video that the link leads to. However, instead of merely sharing the YouTube URL, your approach is to copy it so that you can then go back to uii.io and shorten it there. It will be explained how to do it in a moment using a new account, and when users click on your shorter link, you'll instantly be paid. How can you then genuinely get free visitors, free traffic, and encourage people to click on your shortened link? Well, that is the issue, but it can be solved through a copy and paste script. You are going to utilize a script where you can copy and paste, and you'll simply input and insert your shortened link into there. Let's say the name of the script is going to be Motivate Yourself Like Never Before, and you will create a full article. So, all you have to do is click on copy after you have highlighted and copied the complete script you have made. Copy the script, and later on you will learn how to use this copy and paste template to get paid using PayPal every single day. But first, allow us to walk you through creating a free account. On uii.io, simply click on the button will take you to the page where you may join up for a free new membership where you can complete the necessary information. Simply enter your username, email address, and password to join for free. From there, you'll see a dashboard when you log in into your brand new account. You can now monitor how many clicks and how much money you receive every single day. Naturally, if you log into a brand new account, you simply see 0 since you haven't yet shortened any links. Now, all you have to do is click on the new shorten link button there and you will see that it will cause a box to pop up. So, all you need to do right now is return to YouTube, go to the first video that you have chosen earlier. You will want to copy the YouTube URL link there, so simply scroll down below and look for the share button. You then simply need to return to your dashboard in uii.io and paste the YouTube URL address into the designated field. You may be required to enter an alias, but for this video, you may use Motivate1. Then, press the shorten button. The website will instantly assist you in turning the YouTube URL link into a very special uii.io abbreviated link. You can get paid per click whenever someone clicks on that new link, which will be redirected to YouTube for people to start watching the video. So, all you have to do right now is copy the shortened URL and then you simply need to return to your copy and paste script, scroll down to the area where you may paste your shortened link into that area. In order to avoid repetition, you will simply move to another column and insert the second link there. The more links you include, the more money you'll make since more people will click on them. That being the case, you should really try to search for various YouTube videos. Now, moving on to the second video that you have chosen, all you have to do is replicate the same method you did for the first video. Click on the share button and copy the URL link, then just go back to the dashboard on uii.io and delete everything. Remove everything, then paste the link for the second video there. Since you need to provide an alias, you can then use Motivate2 and hit the shorten button. You will now have a shortened link for your second video. Now, simply click on the copy button, return to your script, scroll down below, and paste the link into the designated area there. You can now simply repeat this as often as you like, although typically you should just include 3 links to a single page and 1 template. So, all you have to do after that is to download the script as a PDF document after entering your shortened URL there. How do you do that? Click on File, then Download as PDF. You will be able to download the PDF to my computer and will now be ready to place it on the finished website. Now that you have reached the end, it is now the step where you can get a lot of people, free traffic, and people clicking on your shortened link. You simply need to visit slideshare.net. What does that do? To simply put it, users submit various documents and PowerPoint presentations on that website to share various knowledge with others. One example of a document and slide that individuals upload to slideshare.com are lectures from school. From there, you can create a free account again. All you need to do is click the sign up button directly above and you'll be taken to a website where you may create a free account. After that, all you have to do is click the upload button up top to be directed to a page where you can upload a file. You can then upload the PDF file of your script to slideshare.net directly from there. If you look into it, slideshare.net actually receives over 169 million monthly visitors. So, imagine that this website receives a large number of visitors. They all want to learn something, so you can share your paper with others for no charge, so they can read it and benefit from it. Remember that you did not need to invest anything from this. They can simply click on your shortened link to view additional information or a video if they so choose. They will visit YouTube and begin watching the incredibly high-quality motivational video there. The video will receive millions of views on YouTube, and everyone benefits from this. You get to spread a great video while also earning money each click that is deposited directly into your PayPal account. That is exactly how individuals from various nations are able to use this method to earn $5, $50, or even hundreds of dollars each and every day right there. Now, if you're searching for a much simpler approach to earn money quickly online, a highly suggested method that you should take a look out for is a program called Browse and Bank. Browse and Bank is the world's first system that pays you to use the internet in the same way that you're doing it right now. Imagine that you are currently watching a YouTube video and that you could get paid for doing so. By using that unique program, Browse and Bank, you may earn money every single hour by doing these things like browsing websites, viewing videos, and skimming through Facebook postings. If you look at their average earnings in a day, $70 in just 33 minutes, and for browsing on Facebook, many individuals are experiencing genuine success. There are people over there that earned $145 in 59 minutes by simply browsing YouTube, and another even earned $95 by viewing videos on TikTok. Therefore, you should really go and check out Browse and Bank if you want to start earning money. That was how you can get money sent straight to your PayPal account using shortened YouTube links. You may also use Browse and Bank as an alternative option if you think that the first method was a bit too much to do. Either way, you can always watch this video again if ever you are confused with the step. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!